In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows computer goes to sleep automatically randomly on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing that we need to do is we need to go to the Windows search bar and type edit power plan. Click on that under the best match. So here for the edit plan settings, if you can find the option put the computer to sleep, so it should be turn off the display, and then under it you'll find the option put the computer to sleep. Simply click on the drop down arrow and you have to choose never. For on battery and plugged in, make sure you choose never. For put the computer to sleep. Okay, and once done, you have to click on the save changes button. You can also click on the start button and click on settings. And then click on system. Click on power and battery. Click on screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. And you have here for turn my screen off after, you can simply choose this to never. Okay, and for plugged in. And you have to close this. Then we can also perform a clean boot. So go to the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on system configuration under the best match. Go to the services tab. Now check this option, hide all Microsoft services. And check one service. Then click on disable all. Click on apply. Click on OK. And click on the restart button. So these two easy methods will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.